Hey, what's up guys? Frank here with another video. And today I simply wanted to give you a small tip if you're a beginner. And the small tip is going to make designing way much easier, okay? And so basically the idea is that when you're creating your designs using AI, the only thing is that you should simply ask for a black outline with your design, okay? Because by having a black outline like this, you simply need to remove the background from the design. Okay, so basically AI gave me this design, and so the only thing that I really need to do in order to make this thing work is to simply remove the white design. You simply remove the white background, and then you just make sure that everything is well centered, and then you're good to go. You can export the design as PNG, cartoon cookie, and there you go. It's that simple. Okay, so I hope that this video was helpful to you, and let me know if you have any question. Okay, peace.